Okay guys, I want to give you a big shout out there for all you guys that wrote in and gave the good comments for the Discovery Channel thing. Like I say, we're just one of the few that they are looking at and talking to, but they've been in touch with us quite a bit over the 2 weeks. Tim is quite in with us, and he's really excited. He'd like to see us go further with this. This is where it's at. I know some of you guys might have some negative ideas about Discovery Channel. They're going to turn you into this and turn you into that. That's the thing. I'm not going to change. I'm going to be who I'm going to be, and that's just the way it's going to be. They're either going to like it or they're not, and that's why we did this last video, to show them what is happening here at the shop, because that's what he wanted. And that was why I said to him, you approached me, I didn't approach you, you want it, there it is. That's who we are, that's who we're going to be. I am not going to change. I'm going to stay true to myself, because there was a lovely young lady by the name of Miss Lisa that taught me, be true to yourself, and that's it. I'm going to stay true to myself all the way here. It will be about Old Time Garage and who we are, and if they don't like who it is, then we just won't do it. So at the end of the day, big thanks to all you guys, but most of all, I want to wish you all a happy 4th of July. Be safe, have a good time, and enjoy yourself. Okay guys, remember, it's always a good time at all time. Big thumbs up.